All right, we are Tanner Jason. My name is Nathan Collier, and the cameraman is Adam Clark. Today we'll be doing problem 15.58 from chapter 15 of the Peck Introduction to Statistical Data Analysis. And our problem is we're trying to answer the question of whether there is a significant difference in grievance, in workplace grievance with respect to job type. And Tanner will take it from there.
All right, so our givens, we're given SSE, which is 506.19, and we're also given the SSE total, which is 682. So using the Anova table, we can solve for the given values of SS, degrees of freedom, MS, and the F factor between groups, within groups, and then get the total. The between groups, we had to solve for it using the givens, so we just subtracted 682, 506 from 682 to get the 175.19, and that fills in the table, so all these are already given. To get the degrees of freedom, there are 4 different groups. There's 13 people for each group. So to calculate the between degrees of freedom, we took the number of groups and subtracted it by 1, and we got 3. To get the within groups, we took the total number minus the 4 groups to get the 48, and then added those to get the total degrees of freedom. In order to get the MS, you take the SS between and divide it by the degrees of freedom, and we got 58.64. The within groups, we took 506.19, also the given from above, and divided it by the degrees of freedom from the within groups, calculated down here, to get 10.55. The total, we use what was given, 682.10, and divided it by the total degrees of freedom that we calculated, which was 51, to get 13.37. In order to get the F statistic, you take the MSB over the MSE, and then from the table it was 58.64 and 10.55, and then the F statistic calculated was 5.56.
And then using the F table that was provided in class, we looked up the values at degrees of freedom in 3 and 48, depending on our table over here, at the alpha equals 0.05 confidence level, and that table value came to 2.57. As 2.57 is less than our calculated value of 5.56, we have to reject our null hypothesis and state there is no significant difference in grievance with respect to job type.